Hi everyone, let's get started. We shall draw a bamboo basket using geometrical shapes. Step 1. Use a protractor and draw a half circle. Now use the protractor to draw the half circle on the other side. So if you don't have a protractor, you may use a round shaped object or a compass to draw the circle. Step 2. Draw a slightly curved line joining both ends of the basket. Step 3. Draw the outline of the basket. We are creating the bamboos. Step 4. Let's create the bamboos. Step 5. Erase the extra lines that we have and start shading the basket. The bamboo basket is ready.